Tired of messy car rides, tangled chargers, or wasting time on the road? These clever car gadgets are here to organize your drive, boost convenience, and make every trip smoother. From smart storage to high-tech upgrades, they're designed to simplify your time behind the wheel. All the links you need are waiting for you in the description below. This clever headrest swap adds hidden security to your car. Designed to look like a regular headrest, it actually houses a discreet safe inside. Store your valuables out of sight and protect them with both a keypad and fingerprint lock. Built from tough materials and nearly impossible to detect, it's a smart way to keep things secure without drawing any attention. Tired of the neck strain after a long drive? This ergonomic car neck pillow is soft, bendy, and made to support your posture without ever losing its shape. Crafted from memory foam, cushions your neck and shoulders perfectly, reducing fatigue on the road. Just strap it onto your seat, and you're good to go. It's gentle on your spine and tough enough to stay put, no matter how bumpy the ride. Changing a flat has never been this effortless. This electric hydraulic jack lifts up to 5 tons in just 1 minute. Just plug it into your car's cigarette lighter or battery. It comes with a powerful impact wrench to loosen lug nuts fast, plus a built-in tire inflator to get you back on the road in minutes. Everything stores neatly in its case, which even doubles as a roadside warning sign. Rugged, fast, and perfect for emergencies. Deep clean your car, patio, or even windows without dragging around a bulky machine. This cordless pressure washer features a 6-in-1 nozzle and a rotating head for hard-to-reach spots. Switch between 3 pressure modes and use the foam sprayer for a full wash. Lightweight, portable, and powerful. Made to handle everything from gentle rinses to blasting stubborn grime with ease. Tired of juggling your phone while driving? This car phone holder makes it effortless. It rotates a full 360 degrees and tilts to the perfect angle, so you're always hands-free and distraction-free. Installation's a breeze. Just clean the surface, peel the adhesive, and press it into place. It even has a slot to neatly hold your charging cable. Use it vertically for calls or flip it sideways for maps and videos. Upgrade your drive with this portable heads-up display. It shows your speed, navigation, and phone alerts right on your windshield. No more looking down. Setup is quick with Bluetooth and works with any navigation app. The minimal LED screen keeps things simple and easy to read. It even helps you park and check blind spots for safer driving. Say goodbye to scorching seats and blazing dashboards. This retractable sunshade unfolds like an accordion, stretching smoothly across your windshield in seconds. Stick one end with the built-in suction cups, pull it across, and attach on the other side. It's that easy. It blocks harsh UV rays and helps keep your car cool with built-in thermal insulation. A smarter, sleeker way to protect your interior from the heat. Keep the chaos in the back seat where it belongs. This dog car net barrier acts as a divider between the front and back, perfect for pets or little passengers. It installs easily with hooks that attach to your headrests, no tools needed. Plus, it doubles as a storage organizer with multiple pockets to stash snacks, toys, or small essentials. Everything within arm's reach. Cleaning your car or yard? This cordless leaf blower handles both like a champ. With adjustable speed control, you can blast away leaves, dirt, or even crumbs from tight spots in your car. It runs up to 150 minutes on low, 90 on normal, and gives you 15 minutes of turbo power for the tough stuff. Lightweight and easy to handle, it makes car detailing or outdoor cleanup fast and satisfying. This isn't just an air duster, it's your secret weapon for messes anywhere. With 3 adjustable speed settings, you can tackle dust in your car, clean your keyboard at home, and even blow snow off your car. It's surprisingly powerful for such a compact tool. Whether it's crumbs in tight spaces or a dusty dashboard, it blasts it all away in seconds. Cleanups just got way more satisfying. Your car interior's about to feel like a whole vibe. These ambient light strips give you over 16 million colors to play with, all controllable through an app or remote. They sync with your music, pulsing to the beat while you drive. The strips are flexible, cuttable, and easy to install with a plug-and-play setup. Whether it's a night cruise or holiday decorating, this kit totally transforms your ride. Who knew fresh air could look this cool? This solar-powered air freshener spins 2 sleek rings endlessly on your dashboard whenever sunlight hits. It's not just a scent diffuser, it's a mini kinetic sculpture for your car. Peel the adhesive, stick it in place, and let the sun do the rest. Your ride smells great and looks even better. Want to add a sleek glow every time you open your car door? These door sill lights stick right onto the edge and light up with style. They're tough enough to handle foot traffic. You can step on them without a worry. Just press and hold the button for 3 seconds to power on. They're easy to install and designed to match a variety of car styles. Turn every ride into a dreamy escape with this Starry Sky humidifier. It automatically turns on and off with your car, releasing a gentle mist to keep the air fresh and comfortably humid. The real magic? It projects a glowing galaxy onto your ceiling, creating a relaxing vibe wherever you are. Add a drop of your favorite scent, and you've got a personal spa on wheels. Charging your phone in the car just got a serious glow-up. This sleek, auto-sensing charger opens up with a simple wave, or pop out the prongs with a light tap, and it grips your phone like a pro. It wirelessly charges in just 30 minutes, so you're powered up before your coffee cools down. Clips easily into your car vent, and looks just as good as it performs. Ever wish you could keep an eye on your car no matter where it is? This mini GPS tracker lets you do exactly that, right from your phone. It shows real-time speed, location, and even lets you set custom zones, so you get alerts if your car crosses them. Pop it into its case and stick it anywhere discreet. The battery lasts up to 2 weeks on a single charge. Flat soda is a thing of the past. This handy-can pump keeps your drinks bubbly long after you've popped the tab. Just press it onto the top of your can and give the rubber cap a few pumps to vacuum seal it. It's perfect for sipping on the go, especially while traveling. No more wasted fizz or messy spills. This isn't your average car mount. It's a magnetic beast. Strong enough to hold up to 5 phones, it grips your device like it's welded on. Toss your phone at it, and it'll snap into place without budging an inch. Installation's a breeze. Just clean, stick, press, and give it a day to lock in. Once it's on, your phone isn't going anywhere, even on bumpy roads. Tired of your phone or fries vanishing into that annoying crack beside your car seat? This clever gap filler blocks the space completely, catching anything that tries to slip through. It's made of flexible rubber and fits snugly. Just press it into place and forget about it. There's even a built-in slot for your seatbelt, so nothing gets in the way. No more digging under your seat ever again. Keep the chaos in the back seat where it belongs. This dog car net barrier acts as a divider between the front and back, perfect for pets or little passengers. It installs easily with hooks that attach to your headrests, no tools needed. Plus, it doubles as a storage organizer with multiple pockets to stash snacks, toys, or small essentials. Everything within arm's reach. smoke in peace without cracking a window. This solar-powered exhaust fan mounts right above your car window and quietly vents out smoke or hot air as you drive. No batteries or wires, just solar energy doing the work. Super easy to install and perfect if you want to keep the cabin sealed while still getting clean airflow out. A discreet, hands-free fix for lingering air.